Now you can create single and custom product alerts and be automatically notified when listings matching your preferences are newly created or modified. You have to be logged in to use this feature. To create single product alerts, simply click the Alert Me button on the single product page. Notice the button changes to Alerted. Let's create a couple more single product alerts. To manage all your product alerts, go to My Account, Product Alerts. And here you have 3 single product alerts we just created. For your convenience, the system saves the date when you create the alert. To remove an alert, simply click the red X on the top right corner of the alert. To create a custom alert, click the Custom Product Alerts button near the top of the products page. Here you can select one or more tags to create your custom alert. To include all tags or values in a particular section, leave that section alone. Let's create a few more alerts. Select Shelf Pulls under Product Condition and HE under Store, then click Save to be alerted anytime we have shelf pull merchandise from HE Department Store. Create more custom alerts by clicking the Create New Alert button. Let's create an alert to notify us of any new listings under $1,000 and click Save. And here it is. Let's create an alert to notify us whenever we have housewares from states closer to the West Coast and click Save. If you no longer need a specific alert, simply click the red X to delete it.